Children, let us read the lesson again. But this time, you are going to read along with me. But you have to point to each word while we read with your pointer finger or a pencil. Here, I have written lesson number 1, The Rainbow Butterfly. Today's date, 20th July 2020. Children, please hold the book properly. Do not fold your books. Lesson number 1, The Rainbow Butterfly. Tilly, Philly and Millie were caterpillars. Children, caterpillar is the new word for you. Let us write it on the board. Question number 1, new words. First word, do you remember the meaning of the word caterpillar? Correct. Caterpillar means a baby butterfly. Let us write. As this is the new word, let us form a sentence using the word caterpillar. I saw one caterpillar in the garden. Isn't it a simple sentence? Let us write. I saw one caterpillar in the garden. Simple? Let's go ahead. They lived in fairyland. Fairyland is the imaginary land, dreamland. They liked to eat leaves. Philly saw a lemon tree. She climbed up and went to sleep on a leaf. She says, such pretty yellow lemons. Tilly went to sleep on an apple tree. She says, I like red apples. Millie climbed up a coconut tree. She says, I love big green coconuts. Now turn the page. Philly, Tilly and Millie slept for many days. Philly woke up. She had turned into a beautiful yellow butterfly. Children, here woke up is a new word for you. Woke up means got up from sleep. She woke up means she got up from sleep. Let us write this word on the board. Second word, woke up means got up from sleep. Got up from sleep. Let us form a sentence. I woke up at 6 o'clock today. Simple sentence. Let's write. I woke up at 6 o'clock today. Full stop. Children, please see how I have written 6 o'clock. This is the way you have to write down the timing. And she says, oh, I am a butterfly. I am a yellow butterfly. Tilly woke up and jumped with joy. Children, jumped with joy means she was very happy. This is again a new word for you. Let's write it on the board. Third word, jumped with joy means was very happy. Was very happy. Now let's form a sentence using the word jumped with joy. Riya saw her friend and jumped with joy. Correct? Let's write it. Riya saw her friend and jumped with joy. Full stop. Children, please remember, always end the sentence with a full stop. She turned into a red butterfly. She says, I am a red butterfly. Millie woke up and opened her wings. They were white. She too wanted bright wings. She says, I have white wings. I want colorful wings. So children, this is how we have completed page number 5 and 6. Now let's read what we have written on the board. New words. First word is caterpillar. Children, the meaning of the word caterpillar is a baby butterfly. And we have formed the sentence using the word caterpillar is, I saw one caterpillar in the garden. Second, woke up. Woke up means got up from sleep. And we have made the sentence, I woke up at 6 o'clock today morning. Third word, jumped with joy. The meaning of these group of words is was very happy. Riya saw her friend and jumped with joy. Riya saw her friend after a long time. So she jumped with joy. She was very happy. She jumped with joy up and down. Children, woke up and jumped with joy. These are the group of words. There are 2 words. 1, 2. Here there are 3 words. 1, 2, 3. So these are called as group of words. Children, you have to copy these sentences in your English notebook.